So my name is WHERON. I'm an artist here in Dallas, Texas. I've used the moniker WHERON since about 2012. I've painted walls all over DFW, Plano, Fort Worth. I met EJ about a year ago. He was interested in possibly getting something painted on his wall.
I was hunting for a mural artist for forever, and dude, he comes in just knocking on our door, and that was a blessing that he just came through like that. We've never had a grand opening, so we just said Friday the 13th, it's already gonna be busy with like tattoos and stuff. Will said he's down to be a part of it, and that made it even more epic for us.
September 13th, we have tattoo artists designing from a flash that I designed. $31, you can come out and get some permanent art and walk away with a nice little Wild West tattoo.
Will cannot get enough credit for what he does around Dallas. He's a monster.